How to download and install Adobe Acrobat Reader for free. This is super simple, so let's dive right into the video. If you need to view or manage PDF files, Adobe Acrobat Reader is a great tool. And here's how you can download and install it for free on your Windows computer. First, open your internet browser and go to your preferred search engine. Type Adobe Acrobat Reader in the search bar and press enter. Look for the official link from Adobe's website in the search results, which should say something like download Adobe Acrobat Reader. Click on the link and you will be directed to Adobe's official download page. From here, click on the button that says download Acrobat Reader. The download will start automatically, and once it's complete, you will find the installer file in your downloads folder. Open the downloads folder, locate a file named something like reader install.x. You need to open it. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. Once the installation is finished, launch Adobe Acrobat Reader. You are now ready to open, read and manage your PDF files directly on your Windows computer, all for free. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if for more tutorials like this.